Hi, I'm going to show you, or I was asked by a colleague about how to publish content through our platform to Facebook. So I've created a proof of concept, and the use case is a customer using our system wants to publish content on Facebook from our, for example, the DAM system or from the templating system. So what we need to do is we need to create an app in Facebook, and then we need the user who has privileges to their Facebook page to link or authorize us to, through our server, push content from our server side to Facebook, and that is what I'll try to show in this use case or demo. So this is it's a PHP script, so I'll go through the actual code after I've showed you the demo. So what we need to do first is again, in this demo I'm using the system as a customer. So what I'll need to do is the first step, I'll need to link the customer, my page, to our app, to our Facebook app. So all I'll do is log in. I'm redirected to Facebook. If I haven't logged in, I'll need to log in, and then I'll need to link my page, which I'm admin for, to our application. So the application is called Papirfly Page Post, and what I'll do is I have a lot of pages, as you see, and what I'll do is I'll choose this one, and it was chosen before because I've run the demo a couple of times. So anyhow, what I'll do is I'll choose the page. So it could be Coca-Cola, it could be Equinor, or anything else that a marketing person who has page admin privileges would like to link their page so they could post. So what I'll do is I'll click next. Then I'm getting a lot of questions, and our Facebook application is not submitted yet, so it's not reviewed, and for that reason we get all these warnings, but we can send it for review when we're done. So what I'll do is I'll just click done, and now what happens is I'm redirected back to the PHP script, and the PHP script, what it does is basically it takes the code, gets a token, uses the token to post it to the page. So, welcome Fredrik Davidsson to Papirfly Page Post for your brand. Publish a post for you on Facebook. Okay, so if I now go over to the page and do a reload in Facebook, I should, let's see here, and you see here I actually now have a post which I created through the script. So you see it's published by Papirfly Page Post, and the content here, you will see this in the PHP script soon. So this enables us to push content from within our DAM or template system directly to Facebook based on our customers' settings or their into their pages. It might be a bit unclear, but anyhow, let's take a look at the actual code. So it's PHP, so I'll walk you through it. So I'm using the Facebook PHP SDK, so it's pretty easy to install. When I set up the application in Facebook, I get an app ID, I get an app secret. What I'll do then is the first page you saw the login, so I need a login URL. So this is where I get that, and I'm actually, when I do the initial login, and this is really important, I'm asking Facebook for user privileges or privileges on behalf of the user. So I'm saying, okay, I want to get email from the user logging in, and I want to get page manage post. So that's the page manage post is the important thing here, because then when getting the authorization back, we've told Facebook that we are gonna ask the user for access to their pages so we can post. Then we have some access tokens. We're setting it in the session. As we're getting the code back, it's a redirect, so we need to set sessions. Then I'm getting the Facebook access token, and this is used for the actual posting later on. What I'll do then is, you did see my my profile picture. So what I'll do here is I'm asking for the name, first name, last name, and email. Then I'm asking the API for the logged in user, me, and the picture. Then what I'll do is down here I am actually taking the picture and posting it or displaying it on the web page. And then we have the welcome, the full name Fredrik Davidsson, to Papirfly page post for your brand. Okay, so this is one section where I pull some information and then push it to the page. And then I have another section down here. So this is just replicating code more or less. So in this section we have the actual magic of posting it. So what we see here is I am asking for a page ID. So this is the page ID which must correspond to the page that the user gave me authorization to. So that could be, need to do it. So anyhow, what happens then, I'm asking for a Facebook, I'm using my Facebook access token, and then I'm getting back a Facebook access token for the page. So we first got a access token for the user, and now we got an access token to be able to post to the actual page. So it's like an onion, it's multi-layered here. Anyhow, now what I'm doing is I'm building the link or the information, the post I want to post. So Roadmap TV, this is your place to share your feedback, blah 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 blah. And this is, if you see it here on the right, this is actually the text we got, and this is the URL. So going back to the code again, the link here is this one, and obviously what Facebook does is do a it looks into the site to create to get the image link, information, link content and stuff like that. And then we have the actual post. So we have the page ID again, and the feed is the request or the function that I'm calling. The Facebook data, the post data, this is what I'm building up here, and then the page token. So this is everything that is needed to enable us to post on behalf of our customer to their pages. So, but this token that we got is it's quite limited. It's I think it might be 60 minutes. So if we want to push content from our solution on a regular basis, we don't want to ask the customer to authenticate us every time. So what we need to do is to get a long-lived token, and then there is another function for that. So I have a code for that as well, and that code, that token that we get, if we get a long-lived access token, it will I think we will have it it will be available for, we will be available to post for 30 days or something like that. And if the user or the customer creates a post in 23 days, we will get a new 30 day. So if they go on vacation and don't post anything for 31 days, then we on the next attempt we'll get the login screen and need to do the authentication process once more. So I think this is, and obviously I have this script here, so you can get it if you want to do some tests. I hope that this was useful. This is I've as you see, I'm using a couple of different sites and pages that I've used for other projects, so they're not really relevant. But I hope this was useful. Okay, thank you very much.